Link or name in the description.
And yeah, I do a lot of stuff.
And he has a bug report.
Yeah, I have one bug report. I'm gonna add more.
Yeah, and that one
on tutorials for advancements, but not complete advancement tutorials. You just like how to get each one. And yeah. I'm gonna go back.
Okay, so like, oh, I think it's ice cream scoop time. Just kidding, we never use an ice scoop in this. I'm still going. This is a long video. It's like 7:55. Look. I'm not even looking. I'm looking at you guys. Whoop, nah. Insert no. Ooh, ooh. Ah! How you guys falling? Man, don't fall. Wait a minute. Oh, this I smell. Yeah. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. The seeds are not edible, so make sure that you don't have any seeds in your cantaloupe basket. If you're wondering how this is actually inspired, it's because of I was balling a cantaloupe, and my mom told me about, I believe, when her mom made a watermelon basket. So basically you ball watermelon and then you would put it back into the slice, and then you can eat it. And yes, has if watermelons ever come back at stores? Yes. I'm talking about all you stores. You have to be back in watermelons if you want to see how to make your own watermelon basket. I'm sure you guys, if the stores want to see it. But in order to do that, they'll have to restock on their watermelons. Oh, look at all this cantaloupe! Yeah! So, as you can guess, this is my first one. This one's just out of the camera shoot by Buddy. So, just like this good thing. So, from this slice to this ball. Wait, one sec. Wait, actually, I'm gonna go get it. Got it. Get it. Ooh. Woo! So, boom, boom. I have to see if this is ice cream scoop mode. Hey guys, quick update. I just went to ask my mom if I can use the baller like an ice cream scoop now. She said yes. So now when your melon looks like this, you can use the baller as an ice cream scoop. Make sure don't get any of the green part, because So I learned that it's not edible. Don't push, just put it normally, like it's ice cream. I don't know if you guys scoop ice cream. Like, scoop it like the melon is ice cream. And yes, guys, I guess if you can try to do that. Boom. Doesn't even work. Ah! Sorry, guys, you kind of fell on my head. But luckily, I got you good. Oh, yeah! Man, this melon. It's like 12 minutes. Huh? And also, I'm going to start a series for the kitchen. And yes, this isn't in the reminder stores. Yeah, you still go watch. So, if you want to sell watermelon baskets, I'm going to do a video on how to do that, but only if you do something for this whole channel. You restock on your watermelons. Oh, sorry. And also, like getting a little sunshine. It's like very snowy. Yeah! So guys, I'm going to let you, so you get guess what I am filming this video on and why it looks so short. Alright, it's because of it doesn't have a stand, and this doesn't even have a case. There's it for you. It's like literally on a selfie stick. That's how come it's so high. And I'm gonna ask if this is done. Okay, 1 sec, guys. When your melon looks like this, it means that it's done. And that you can, oh, like, look at all this cantaloupe. Wait. All this cantaloupe on one side. So now, and yes, guys, I can't skip because I'm not on that app that lets me edit. Welcome back, melon. That has never been cut. I'm gonna give you big. Boom. Boom. Ooh. Boop. It literally fits. And yes, I am gonna put until it's all gonna be mixed. Woo! To be or not to be? That is the question. That is the question, man. And also, once again, if you guys want to see how to make a watermelon